Let me ask you something. Did you think it was a good idea to return to a place that promised to bring you hell when you returned? A place that has told you they only wanted to see you bleed and cry. Why did you think it was a good idea to return? There's nobody to save you. None of your friends will return to save your pathetic, greedy, cruel back. You could have just left and never returned. But no, you just had to have it your way, huh? You brought this town down. I will simply return the favor. Goodbye.